Here we have DeMarco is teaching Ty how to play handball. It says Ty prefers to return the ball on a serve when it bounces to a height of 42 inches. We can see the 42 inches right there, so that's our height. When DeMarco serves the ball, where should he aim for the ball to hit the front of the wall to ensure that it bounces at the short line? So he's got to hit the short line, standing 11 feet behind the short line. Assume the angles formed by the path of the ball and the handball are congruent. So what happens, let's look at this. I've got these two angles are congruent. Whoops. I was just trying to make it thinner. All right. There we go. Okay. And so I know these two angles are congruent. I know when you're standing straight up, the height, that's at a right angle to the floor. So I've got angle, angle. These two triangles are similar. Since these two triangles are similar, I can write a ratio or a proportion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to want to find the height of where the ball hits. That's x. That corresponds to the height of the ball when DeMarco hits it, which is 42. I'm going big triangle to little triangle. And then the length, the ball travels from the wall to the short line. That's 25 feet. Well, that corresponds to 11 feet, doesn't it? And then what I want to do is I want to solve that. Now, unlike the other problems, nothing reduces here, does it? So I'm just going to solve this proportion. I'm going to multiply both sides by 42 because we want to reduce. And so the left side, I'm just going to find my answer, x. And then we're going to take 25 times 42. We're going to divide that by 11. It's like 42 over 1 if you want. So it's 95.5, we'll say. Now, what are my units? Well, remember, the height is measured in inches. So this will be inches. Now, we usually don't say 95.5 inches. So we'll do is we'll change that to feet. We'll divide that by 12. And we'll say x is about 7 or about 8 feet. He wants to hit the wall about 8 feet above the ground to hit the short line. Okay, 7.95 to be more precise. And that's it. Okay.